This talk is going to be on using a Wardley map to think about how to build a data science team. This is obviously just an AI doing the talking, but I'll be there in person on the day. In one of my previous map camp talks, I discussed Arthur's idea of structural deepening, that as systems evolve and mature, they get more complicated as we add to them to moderate their behaviors. I used the example of a jet engine, which proved perhaps a bit esoteric. So now I'm going to explore the practical application of this idea to building data teams. I'll start at the beginning. We want to start some new analysis and think about how we set out doing it. Obviously, if the data was in the requirements doc, it must be there, right? I'll draw upon my own experience of building data teams in companies, including my own entrepreneurial journey, and I'll try and pull out some climatic and doctrinal patterns that can help frame the questions and discussion. I'll talk a little bit about some ideas from Max Boycett and Neil Lawrence on how to characterize data maturity, and discuss the idea of data readiness levels. And I'll draw on those ideas to illustrate how I think about building data teams. Most of my Wardley maps are little sketches in notebooks, but I'll show you examples of some of the teams I've built, also drawing on the team topologies framework of Skelton and Pays to illustrate how I think about the interfaces of data science, data engineering, and machine learning. If there is time, I'll talk about the emerging trends on consumer-producer relationships for models in machine learning, and what some of the consequences might be. I look forward to the discussion with you on the 23rd of November. Thank you.